A game.
This is an oak.
Look at the leaf. An oak. Daisy. A maple. And this is a maple leaf.
A birch.
The birch is white as a paper. A birch. And Lukas.
A birch.
Dandelion. This is grass. Grass.
This is a beech. A beech. This is a nettle.
This is a pine. A pine.
And this is a pine cone. This is a spruce.
A spruce.
And this is a spruce cone.
Daisy. A maple. An oak. A birch.
Dandelion.
Grass.
A beech. A nettle.
A pine. Spruce.
A pine cone. Spruce cone.
Daisy. A maple. An oak. A birch.
Dandelion.
Grass.
A beech. A nettle.
A pine. Spruce.
A pine cone. Spruce cone.
Daisy. A maple. An oak. A birch.
Dandelion.
Grass.
A beech. A nettle.
A pine. Spruce.
A pine cone. Spruce cone.
Daisy. A maple. An oak. A birch. Dandelion. Grass.
A beech. A nettle.
A pine. Spruce.
A pine cone. Spruce cone. And now a game.
What is it? It's a daisy. This is a tree. What is its name? It's a maple. What is it? Huh? This is an oak. This is a tree.
What is its name?
It's a birch.
And what about this? What is it? It's a dandelion.
What is it? This is grass.
What is it? It's a tree. What is its name? It's a beech. What is it? A nettle.
This is a tree. What is its name? It's a pine. What is it? It's a spruce.
What is it? It's a pine cone. What is it? It's a spruce cone.